As you can see, antlers, head, body, yeah. And this moose is actually pretty simple, and it relies on a lot of geometrically simple shapes to help you interpret it as a moose. Fold in half. And then fold these edges to the center. Now, fold it in half like this. And basically, what the color it's gonna be, I'm pretty sure, or maybe not. We'll see later. But I'm pretty sure that the color that you started on will be the color that your antlers are, and then everything else will be the same. Okay, so now you're going to fold this to this first crease right there. So we can see it's split into fourths, just the 1/4 crease, or the 3/4 crease, I don't know. Okay, now fold that back open, and then fold this edge to this crease, like that. And now you're going to rabbit ear fold these. So just rabbit ear fold both of these. Okay, now you're going to fold these back, these folds that go to the center, like that. And now flip it over onto the colored side, and then fold this point back as far as it goes. Okay, now you're going to pull this out like that, and I was correct. It is actually that color, so like that. Okay, you're going to rabbit ear fold this just like that. So just like that. And now this edge to this. So like that. And you're basically making a reverse fold. Now you're going to mountain fold that first crease and fold it back. And we are almost done, as you can see. You're going to fold this to this. And then fold it behind. And then do that on this side. And now, fold this back. And fold that over. Just like that. It should be kind of maybe an 100-degree angle, maybe 110. So just a little bit over 90. Or technically from this way it would be like 30, but yeah. So like that. And now it's pretty much just all shaping. So you're going to push this back part down. Like that. And now fold, you're gonna kind of like make a curve from that back leg to that front leg. And just repeat that on this side. Just like that. And yeah, that is the finished moose. And you can make some more adjustments. Yeah, and also just inside of the tip of the nose. And yeah, on your own time, you can round these antlers to like kind of go up and out to the side. Like that. But yeah.
Thank you for coming to the paper playground. See you next time.